Jeez. Hey, hey, boys, what's happening, man? Good morning. Happy Sunday Fun Day. What's good, boys? What's good? Yeah, buddy, you know what, me Debs. Excuse me, sorry. That's too funny. Yeah. So welcome to the Sunday morning show. So I gotta watch my language and what I do. So I had to get that in before the show started, so that I was ready to go. You know, because I don't do it on screen when on Sunday mornings, because there'll be kids up and around this time of day. So we're gonna be I behave so that they don't hear anything. You know what I mean? I can't say anything about reading the chat, though. Anyways, how's everybody doing this morning? Me Dibs, eh? You banged your knee up. Man, oh man, that sucks. I hate that. Knees are important, right? That's how you walk, right? So, but yeah, I was on screen. Yeah, I know, but I wasn't like on screen. Awesome, man. And Kodaman, dude, what's up, buddy? Good morning. Good morning. Bob's Adventure, Sammy Superstar. I did see Amos in here, and Jack. Right on, man. Excuse me, I don't know if Amos is here still, but I did see him earlier. He might be back. Oh, shoot. Right on, dude. Right on, man. Right on. So yeah, it's November, eh? So is that Sharevember? So this is the month of sharing. So if we share, I said, so this is the month. It's going to be the month. We're going to have a draw at the end of the month. For I don't know. I should probably. Let's say $100. We'll say $100 US. Does that sound fair? We'll say $100 US. We'll do a draw at the end of the month, and we'll see whoever shares the stream out, or every time you share the stream or video out, tag me on whatever platform it is, and we'll keep a tally, and then every share will be an entry into a random draw, and we can even keep and then we can also keep track the actual winner, like the person who shares the most will actually win something too, maybe a shirt or something from some merch or something, from another channel, because I don't have any, but something like that, we'll do that, eh? Well, and I'll figure it out, because it's the 1st of November 1st, so I'll write up the rules and everything like that, and we'll post it on the community tab. Let me make sure I got a note so I don't forget, Sipu. All right. Sounds good, yeah, man. And that's always $100 US. It's always US funds too, just so you guys know. I do everything in US funds here. I'm having a break from working out. What the F? My computer is doing it. Keeps telling I don't have permissions. Talk to the admin. I am the admin. Yeah, right. That's hilarious. That's so funny. Is Makita? Where is Makita here? I didn't see Makita. Yo, Makita, how you freaking doing? Where's Makita? I didn't see Makita anywhere. Are you here, Makita? Right on. Shaq, are you still here, buddy? Shaq is, yeah, we had a good Zoom call the other day. Hey, what's up, buddy? How's it going, man? Good morning. Good morning. Good stuff, man. Good stuff. So, this is kind of like it's kind of it's construction project management software, and I think it can be quite confusing. There's when I Googled it, even, hold on here, let me shut this music off. Sorry. Pausing it to music. I know Amos only comes from the music. Maybe that's why he's not been coming lately. Just kidding. Oh, so man, I'm already today will be I'm in my first 24 hours of no vape. So yeah, like I was vaping no nicotine, like zero nicotine, for like it was like 4 days, right? And I was like, hey, when I made it a thing, right? I'm like, okay, I'm not buying any more vape stuff. That's it. When this stuff is done, I'm quitting. I'm done, right? So I smoked cigarettes for 20 years, right? At least 20 years I smoked cigarettes. Yeah, so I've been vaping, for the past few years, but off and on smokes and stuff. But so I've been off smokes now for a while. It's been a good while, and yeah. So now the vape, I'm out. I ran out all the stuff, and so I just I washed it out last night, put it away, made it through my first night. I was weird because I woke up a lot. It's like I normally do. I wake up in the night and I'll hit the vape, and I'll check my phone or whatever, and then I'll fall back asleep, right? So I was still like kind of waking up, and that was normal, But yeah, man, I'm just like I'm feeling a little anxious, but I gotta do it. I just keep thinking like, now that I look back on smoking cigarettes, I'm like, why did I ever smoke cigarettes? It doesn't make sense, right? But there was a time where I could not imagine quitting, and it was so hard to quit. But yeah, so yeah, fingers crossed here, man, that the vape is gone. Hey, Adam Garrity, what's up, brother? How's it going, dude? And that'll be another thing, another thing off the list. You know what I mean? So far so good. Right on, dudes. But, excuse me. Yeah, Adam Garrity. Yeah, I know. They are disgusting. They're just nasty. I don't know. Yeah, like I don't know why or how we all got. Like I think it was because we were wanting to be cool, right? I think that's really what it was. We wanted to be cool. That's all it was, man. It's crazy to think that, but it's true. It's true. That's the only reason I could think that we would have done it. Certainly it wasn't because you liked it, or because it tastes like shit. I mean, after a while, when you oh, hey, Zaphael, I'm going to touch on that. In a second. Why don't you use Microsoft Project like the real project managers, right? So I do use Microsoft Project. Oh yeah, so no, yeah. The sharing tallies will start from today. So use hashtag Kronies like we do. Like if you look on the stream here, it should say hashtag Kronies. You'll see just the small K, right? And tag me if it's on Facebook or whatever at Construction Kronies, or at Chris Conkle, and make sure that you tag me so I can keep track, right? And because I can keep track quite easily on Twitter as well. So Twitter is hashtag Kronies, and you can also tag me right at I'm at Chris Conkle 1. You see my Twitter and Facebook right there below here. Right, or no, sorry. They're right here. There's Twitter, and then there's Facebook. And then, of course, we all have the Discord and all that as well, too. So yeah, right. With this stream, that's right. Yeah. So all the videos that I put out this month and streams that I do this month will keep track of. I'll keep a running tally. We'll look at it, and I'll try my best to keep track, But like I was saying, it shouldn't be that hard, really, It's not like there's 100 million of us, right? So it should be pretty easy for me to keep track of. Did I miss anybody this morning? Me dibs. Oh, wait a minute. Is the next cut out the weed? No. Hey, no, let's not get crazy here, me dibs. Oh, slow down there, buddy. Slow down. Holy. Don't get crazy here, man. Don't get crazy here. Holy. Ooh. Okay. Did I even have any real questions? I guess not. Okay. Where the heck are we? Back to the drawing board. Nope, just kidding. To the other scene. Oh god. Oh. Woo! So hey, what's up, man? Leo Octavio 18. Yeah, 3.14 subscribers is pretty cool, man. It's pretty cool. Future Chris. Yeah. Yeah, the subscribers are coming quite regularly. Yeah, it's nice to see, there's been lots of engagement on the videos and stuff. Been super, yeah, been keeping me pretty steady. It's pretty busy, so is that a no? So yeah, no. So that is a no. That is a no. Yeah, that's a big no. Me dibs. Yeah. I do. That's when I first subscribed to Vince. They were at 3,000. They were 3,000 something subscribers when I subscribed to Vince, and that was a long time ago. It feels like, Yeah, it could be, Adam. Could be. Yeah, it's kind of when I met most of you guys, actually. It's like Zaphael and Koneman and Amos and that's kind of when I met you guys, was around then. Yeah. It was VCG and the Roo crew. You remember Christina Redman? Yeah, Redman. It was the VCG crew and the Roo crew, and then Christina stopped live streaming, and then everything kind of split up, and yeah. Hey, Israel Gomez, how's it going, man? Good morning, dude. So I'm gonna switch over to this computer here, and Wheelrow, yeah, Wheelrow. I haven't talked to Wheelrow in forever, man. I haven't talked to him in forever, dudes. Like, I don't even know. Like like we used to talk all the time, outside of YouTube. We used to talk on the phone, we used to talk on Discord, and I don't know what happened. We just kind of just stopped talking, and I love that guy. He's a good guy, so hopefully we can touch up. I think he's busy though. I think he's busy. And Drew's channel? Yeah, Drew Crew. Yeah, the Drew Crew. Yeah, I still go to Drew's streams. Yeah, absolutely. Tokyo Drew's like literally from the next city over from where I'm from in Toronto, right? So we're kind of like, I can relate to him that way, right? It's cool. All right, so sorry guys, I'm clearing my damn throat. I don't even know how you guys can stand that. Anyways, when I watch the replays, I'm like, oh man, I'm always like, I gotta be careful more, control that stuff, like whatever. Anyways, hopefully that quitting vaping, the nicotine. I'm still vaping the other stuff. I'll still vape the other stuff, but I'd like to stick more with just whatever. It's all good. I'm on the right track. So this is Project Manager, which is Microsoft Project, I believe. Is this? Hold on here. There's something I know. Microsoft Project is a little different now. Let me just look this up here. Microsoft Project. Oh, hold on here. No. Yeah, no wonder that didn't look right to me. So here it is. The new browser recommended by. Has anyone even used the Edge browser yet? I haven't even used the Edge browser. I don't know what that's all about. So, all right. So yeah, Microsoft Project is pretty much there's only two basics. There's only two pieces of software that I know that are kind of standard, right? No, one is Microsoft Project. Microsoft Project is used for everything, like say, you know, up to it would be dollar value. So you would use project up to, you know, maybe $50 million. Okay, you could do a project up to that with it. But then the other one is Primavera. Okay, so Primavera is for like the industrial stuff, for the high, like the very complicated stuff. Okay, Primavera is a very powerful piece of software. Okay, and they use it in the oil field. And like even like top contractors, like the biggest contractors that you know, might not even use this software. Okay, but they, you know, they might, depending on what they do. And this is how it's probably very expensive, and but it's powerful, right? Oracle, it's Oracle software, right? So look at there's all the training. Okay, Primavera P6 training. PM certification training. So there's the PMP exam prep. That's cool. The PMI SP exam prep. Private custom training for your team. Primavera software. Cloud hosting. CPM scheduling. So anyways, this stuff is like you're planning and scheduling in it. This is not BIM software, okay? But this would be BIM integrated with the BIM. You know, BIM is going to be a combinations of other softwares coming together but they have, you know, integrating together to, you know what I mean? This Primavera would be scheduling and planning, so billing and things like that, right? It's pretty cool. So I might even read it here. Primavera P6 Professional Project Management gives today's project managers and schedulers the one thing they value most, and that's control. Primavera P6 PPM, the recognized standard for high-performance project management software for projects with up to 100,000 activities. So yeah, there you go, activities, right? Benefits of using Primavera P6 include plan, schedule, and control large-scale programs and individual projects, balance resource capacity, track costs for billing and or earned value management, monitor and visualize project performance versus planned, integrate with accounting and human capital management systems, right? So yeah, it's going to be like how all that software is going to communicate together, right? Like the Hilti software, Profis software, you know what I mean? Like how's that? Hey, Eddie Smallhorn, my man. My man, that's cool, dude. How's it going, buddy? Hey, that was very nice of you, sir. Oh, come on. Woo! Woo! Oh, come on, buddy. There we go. Once I can get these triggers done and automated, that's going to be pretty cool. Do you have all... Did it... You know, to have everything automated and stuff. But thank you, Eddie, for the super chat. That's awesome, buddy. Good morning. Good morning. Did you go trick-or-treating last night? Oh, my God. It was fun. Last night was a good time. So we made a deal with the girls. We're like, okay, we'll go trick-or-treating. But we gotta keep all your candy. We can't have it for like 3 days, right? We're gonna quarantine it for 3 days because you have to, you know, it's like 24 hours or something like that for the germs to die off from this whatever, you know. So you know, we just couldn't say no. And our neighborhood is like one of the biggest craziest neighborhoods for Halloween, right? People do go crazy decorations and there's thousands and thousands of kids, but it was quiet this year, and it was like there was only like every soul houses was doing, you know, candy or whatever, but they had different stuff, you know, like different shoots and different things or whatnot. So it was fun. The kids just burned around. We just went around the neighborhood, you know, just burned, and they scored some candy. It was pretty cool. It's good. It was fun for them. They had fun. So that's all that matters. A little bit of normal, eh? No chance, eh, Eddie? Yeah, right on. Yeah, I'm a little tool too. I didn't even dress up that like last night. I'm trying to dress up too, but at least we started decorating the house this year, which is nice. So, hey, Don the General, what's happening, dude? Okay, so software guys. So this stuff is the stuff that I know that we use in the field. And so Microsoft Project. Oh, that's not Microsoft Project. This is Microsoft Project. This is a part of the construction technology program. Okay, so if you're going to construction project management or construction technology, oh shoot, what's it called? It's construction CE. What's the E stand for? Construction engineering technology. I don't know what that is. I can't remember for some reason. Weird, but this is the standard course. So there'll be project planning and scheduling 1 and project planning and scheduling 2, which is basically Microsoft Project 1 and Microsoft Project 2. So it is a standard, and you will most likely be using this piece of software. So this is a good one to learn. If you have a Microsoft Office subscription, I bet you this is included in it. Like you could probably just download it and add it in at no additional cost. I'm not sure if it's a part of the package or not, right? I do have it. On my other computer, but I actually never opened it up. I could open up Project though and start giving you guys some lessons in Microsoft Project. If anyone's interested in that, just let me know and we can do something like that. See plans and pricing. Here we go. Let's just see plans and pricing on this one. So project plan 1. So what's what? $10 a user per month. Start quickly, manage easily. So 3 or what's this? I don't understand. Oh, this is via the web browser here. Oh, okay. So this is like a cloud type thing. Execute projects with these web browser or desktop client. Okay, so if you want a desktop client starting at $30 a month, which the project the Primavera is going to be like thousands of dollars, right? So yeah, that's cool. So what we did was we had our candy and we actually just individually bagged it into plastic zip, like little tiny plastic baggies or whatever, and just set it out on a table out front. And yeah, that's kind of how it was. That's how most of it went. A lot of people were kind of just set it out front, and but it was cool. I set up some lighting and we had some ghosts out there now, and so yeah, for this neighborhood, like to be shut down like it was different. That was different, that's for sure. This is on premise. So, here we go. Look at that. So you can buy it out for $1,000. A comprehensive on-premise project management solution. So 1,000, or hold on, let's see here. So this is per project, maybe. I don't know. Fully installed, up-to-date project desktop app. All right. One license covers one PC per person. Manage project schedules and costs. Manage tasks, reports, and business intelligence. Manage resources. Sync with project online and project server. Submit timesheets. So timesheets here, to capture project and non-project time spent for payroll, invoicing, and other business purposes. So that's important, right? So you can buy a copy for $1,000, right? So this is important, so that you have to be able to use your compare cost and stuff like that for your sub trades and invoicing and all this. Like there's a lot of, I think you imagine trying to keep track of all this, it would be pretty tough, eh? Hey, right on. What's up, James Collins? So here, let me throw that up on the screen here, man. Estimator, project manager for commercial drywall framing shop. You're always dropping great info. Happy to share your page with all our field team. Beautiful, man. Thank you, James. I really appreciate that. That's top shelf, man. That's really, really cool. Nice to hear. So that's actually interesting because this is also as a sub trade, right? That's the other thing, right? So as a sub trade, I do always recommend you do use Microsoft Project, right? You're most likely going to be able to integrate with the general contractor easier, right? Because they're most likely using it too. It's just a very popular piece of software. And when you're in the oil field, it's Primavera. Okay, I mean, I've never used Primavera, but I hear it's insane, right? Like really cool. You can do a lot of really cool stuff with it. What's this here? If I go, is this just all about? Oh, this probably is this about Oracle? 24 years in business, 1,750 plus courses, 10,000 plus trained people, 2,000 plus businesses. So yeah, but anyways, that's that one. Anyways, I know, like, as an estimator, my best friend is Microsoft Excel, right? So if you are wanting to advance and you're in the field right now and you want to advance into any type of project management position or estimating position at some time, you need to learn computers. Like, you need to know how to use Microsoft Excel and Microsoft Project. Those are going to help you out. You know, anyone knows how to use a word processor like Microsoft Word, right? Everyone knows that now, right? Oh, technically, okay. So what did I miss here? Okay, did you put okay? So Zaphael, Oracle products are normally standalone, cost a ton of money, and are one of the few companies competing with Microsoft. Yeah, right. That's true. Yeah, yeah, yeah. The Oracle is definitely they're huge, man. Yeah, they do a lot, like the big company stuff, right? Corporate software. You know, they're huge. You know. What's this here? This is Global PM. There we go. Yeah, so the P6, right? The most current version. Oh, it's only $2,220. I thought it would have been more. Honestly, that's actually a lot less than I thought. So, maybe there's plugins here, right? User support, Opus, software installation support. You know, I don't know what this is about, but yeah, you might have some add-ons. But even if these were both add-ons, it's like $3,000. I thought it would be more than that. So that's not bad, you know. Yeah, that'd probably be for a piece of software. Okay, so it's gonna be standalone, right? So, like, let's go into details here. All right, so it's an enterprise portfolio management software. It is an integrated project portfolio management EPM web solution, comprising role-specific functionality to satisfy each team member's needs, responsibilities, and skills. It provides a single solution for managing projects of any size, adapts to various levels of complexities with a project, and intelligently scales to meet the needs of various roles, functions, or skill levels in your organization and on your project team. See, these are small letters, eh? I'm going to open up a document. I don't know if I can open it on this computer, darn it. It's a spreadsheet that I use for estimating. I could teach you guys this too. Like, man, darn it. Hold on. Let me see if I can open this in somehow. File Explorer. Really? Seriously? Is that... I might have to open it up on my other computer and see if I might have to share the window or something, you know. But let's see if I can. I might not have even transferred it over here actually. So it's not in there. I don't know. It should be in here. All right. Shoot, I can't open it here. Oh shit. Just forget it. I don't care. Let's forget it for now. Okay, anyways, I'll have to open it up on my other computer. Um, but so you use Procore and PlanGrid, eh? So Procore is another one. I have that open right here as well. So Procore is this up and coming like it I think it's up and coming because I'm just recently hearing about it. But this is like a really good piece of software. I hear a lot of good things about it. So that's why I have it open as well, right? I wanted to look more into this Procore stuff, because I want to make sure. Let's see here. Procore connects all your people, software, and data on one platform, so everyone on your project has access to everything they need. The platform gives you freedom to connect with hundreds of integrations in the Procore app marketplace. So even if we don't build it, you can connect it, right? So that's cool. Um, more teamwork, less rework. That's kind of the thing, right? Like you need to have integration, right? People need to be able to use it with other software, and it's kind of hard um, when you think about it, right? It's not that easy because we also have, don't forget, we also have now the AutoCAD and the drawings and the plans, the specs. Like there's so many different types of data, right? There's, it's crazy, right? Like, um, and with the heavy text data, like say the specifications and things like that, without being completely like until master format or something that's not going to be, but it's just say like if we could divide and recognize things based on division, right? On the division and each subdivision, each specific specification, if that is registered, that would be pretty neat because then the software can really evaluate. You really evaluate it and check any for errors and things like that, right? So according to BIM, right, we're talking about BIM here. BIM is a combination of all the software working together, right? It's an idea, right? Building information modeling. So okay, I didn't take the kids out last night. It was totally disappointing not going out, but we did family game night and it was okay. Nice, Adam. Good. As long as the family's together, that's all that matters. That's the that biggest thing. That I know it was a tough decision. It was a stressful decision actually, but we're it worked out for everybody because in the end we're all with our family, right? And Don the General, man, did I say hi to you? I hope I did. And Sammy Superstar, what's up, man? Technically, trick or treating is a crime in the UK. It threats and extortion. Yeah. If you don't give me candy, I'll do something bad. Yeah, it's like, on Devil's Night or whatever, Devil's Night, I'm walking my one daughter, Amelia. We're walking up to the school, and she said something about going to do artwork tonight, and I'm like, yeah, with toilet paper and soap, right? And she looked at me like, what, with toilet paper and soap? Like, what are you talking about, right? I'm laughing myself, right? So yeah, Procore, and so how do you find Procore, James? Like, how do you find that? And that's the thing that I do know. Microsoft project, or this is another piece. I just don't know where. It just when you Google it, this comes up. I thought that I was clicking into Microsoft project there, but what? Look at that methodologies: agile methodology, waterfall methodology. Huh? Uh, uh, uh. Oh yeah, look at that mentor program. Anyway, yeah, there you can definitely regenerate some nice reports with this software. So yeah, like I'm saying, you want to keep track of everything. It's so hard to do that you like this stuff is it takes a lot of people, you know? It takes a lot of people. But at the end of the day, there's only like one to three. There'll only be like 1 to 3 estimator like planners, okay? Like they'll in a lot of the times there'll just be one planner and estimator on one job, okay? And I think that's the case for up to, I'll say, you know, and then you get like after $5 million, 5 to 10, like 5-10 million bucks, you know. I don't know. You could do one person could do do a, you know, a $5 million job. You know, could do the planning and the scheduling and the estimate, right? The estimate. So yeah, and I kind of like like nowadays too, like it's kind of like estimating project manager is a big thing, right? Because estimating from planning and estimating to execution, right, through to like the life cycle of the project, it's just you're more involved with it, right? And instead of because when you're an estimator, right, you're involved, like it's a big deal. There's a lot like if you don't know how to turn the estimate over, right, to the next guy with the proper information, you got to be good, like you have to document everything, right, and organize it so that the next guy understands what's going on, right? But yeah. Oh yeah, and that's good. See, so all the correspondence document for the entire project in one place. So does it have like communication? Like you can so email and all that, right? Like that's really cool. And submittals. Does it do submittals too? Like submittals, shop drawings, and things like that. Does it help organize the project manual as well? I wonder. There's also this software here too, right? Bluebeam is another piece of software that I have worked with. Some contractors use this here in Alberta, and it's a little confusing. It's a little hard to use this software, but it's like probably like Procore. It probably is probably like that, right? So like that, build better bids, keep documents organized, markup, measure, quick. Yeah, so I know with Bluebeam, this is really neat software because like you can literally mark up the drawings and like all it organizes the drawings and stuff like that, right? So any change orders and RFIs and all that stuff, it logs that, and you can literally be live in real time, marking up the drawings and communicating with somebody, you know, and at the same time. But it keeps track of all the change orders in all. This is where all the most up to date documents would be, right? So I don't know if it does. Keep track of who said what. Speed up design reviews, customize collaboration permissions. Review gives you a centralized place to create, annotate, and share documents so projects always stay on track and teams are aligned every step. So yeah, this is managing the cloud, improve QA QC, speed and accuracy. But yeah, right. Stop juggling platforms. Review offers a wealth of powerful tools and plugins to help simplify tasks from kickoff to handoff. And you got a 30-day free trial of it, right? So that's awesome. So Procore does that, right? So, and that's the one thing too, like I'm not sure Bluebeam does planning and scheduling, right? Like I don't think it does, right? So browse by role, architect, engineer, general contractor, specialty contractor. Estimator. Let's check it out from estimator point of view. Quantity takeoff. So yeah. Oh, I do know that it does do this quantity takeoffs and things like that, right? Like you can highlight certain areas and things here. Let's put this little video on. Accurate quantity takeoffs and cost estimates. Here, let's just play this little video. You know what? We can go right to the YouTube page.
For some...
No. It's music. Oh, me. Oh, yeah. See, look, see how he's highlighting it? And you can like pick the walls, you know, and stuff. It's pretty neat. He's got his square footages. But at the end of the day, I don't think it does scheduling and planning, right? Yeah, there you go. See, like there's the square footages. And you can do linear feet, things like that. And like if you, it's pretty cool. It's pretty cool stuff for estimating. This is a really neat software. I use a piece of software for like, cause I'm an estimator as well too. Like I'm not an estimator now, but I know how to, I've done estimating. I use this other piece of software called Nitro PDF. With Nitro PDF, I can do like quick checks. So I use that as my BIM, because I'll take the physical drawings, right, and I'll do a physical takeoff, and I'll do like a quick takeoff on Nitro. Like get that to measure it up. And I'll do a check, right, to see if the numbers are close, you know. You always need to have some sort of check when you're in estimating. It can't, you know, especially when you're estimating jobs in the millions of dollars, like you need to have some sort of something, right? One company we worked for, a big, huge, massive company, we'd send all the project documents to some place in India where they do all the takeoffs, right? And then when you did your physical takeoff and you get those numbers back, you compare them, and if there's any major differences, you got to go in and check, right? So anyway, so yeah, like this is funny. I just want to look, because when you search construction project management software, this is one of the pages that comes up, right? I just wanted to see if there's any, if we know this software, right? So Autodesk Construction Cloud. Autodesk is, yeah, everyone knows Autodesk. At the end of the day, like Buildertrend, I have no idea. I've never heard of Buildertrend. Co-Construct, I think I've heard of that. But yeah, there's Procore there. Look at Job Nimbus, Contractor Foreman, Red Team, Build Tools, Construction Management, CMIC. I've heard of that. Pasker, Notify, CSS. I'm just like, the point of it is like, look at all the software, right? eBuilder, I've heard of that one. Most of these I haven't heard of. Okay, most of these I have never even heard of. So you got to be careful. Like, the thing is like you need to have you need to have your planning and scheduling software, right? So you need to have like some sort of like, you need to have a spreadsheet, right? So as an estimator, you need to have a spreadsheet, access to a spreadsheet, sorry, and the planning scheduling, like Microsoft Project, right? You need planning and scheduling, and you need also access to the drawings and the specifications and the addendums, okay? And it's crazy, right? And also you need to have channels of communication to the general contractor or the architect, depending on where you are, right? If you're a subcontractor, you can't go to the architect. You have to go to the general contractors, who will go to the architect, right? You can go to the architects during tender, because there's multiple contractors are bidding. But if you're working with a contractor or going to be bidding alongside of one, okay, they're not going to like it if you overstep your bounds, right? So you got to keep that into mind as well. But yeah, so think about that. Hey, Jelly Doug, man, Jelly. Yeah, boy, what's up, man? How's it going? Shout out to Kuwait, dude. So yeah, it's a lot of different stuff going on, right? And having a bunch of different software is not making it easier. Okay, so I haven't yet to see one piece of software that is effective for everything. Okay, for all of that. I'm curious now about more. I'm curious about Procore. If we go to constructionjunkie.com, let's see. Oh yeah, there's a duck right there. The bastard's behind me again. All right, so we go to what was I just saying before I was so rudely interrupted again? Oh, if you have projects in the millions, if you're off by 5%, you're effed. Yeah, somebody can approve that comment. Shoot, I guess dibs. I took the wrenches away. Damn it. I took the damn wrenches away. Oh, great. Oh my goodness. What was I gonna search again? I was gonna search something. Oh. I forget. Damn, I can't believe I just gapped like that. Oh well. Anyways, the point is, yeah, Procore. Something to do with Procore, I think. I don't know. Anyways. Request a demo. It'd be neat to just mess around with it, eh? But, I like that's right, Construction Junkie, duh. Okay, Construction Junkie. Yeah, that's it. Alright. I seen some stuff in, I did subscribe to their newsletter, eh? So Procore releases labor, productivity tracker, and time and material tickets for specialty contractors. So this is cool, right? If I just open that, and then Procore releases 2 new features for BIM users: dynamic wall elevations and Follow Me. Right on, super neat, eh? And so construction companies can now monitor third-party app usage with Procore. That's just like spying on your employees and stuff, but that's okay. All right, so I did see a couple things. I'm going to check it out. So look at that, labor, equipment, and materials. Specialty trades contractors are typically forced to use whatever project management software that the general contractor or project owner of each project require. But that doesn't mean there aren't benefits to having a project management system of their own. Procore has seen a large amount of these specialty contractors joining their platform over the past year and have announced the release of 2 new features specifically for them: real-time labor productivity and time and material tickets. That's really sweet, actually, right? So yeah, we firmly believe that technology can make us better. It's transforming the way we conduct our business by providing our teams with better tools to improve performance. So it's electrical contractors, real-time labor productivity features allows us to track actual hours versus our budgeted hours by line item, and thereby adds more precision to our planning and project management, right? So time and material tickets, time and material logs can take forever to get back to the office and get billed. That is true. That could cause some frustration on the back end for the GC or project owner as they wait to pass these costs along. As soon as out of scope work is requested in the field, they can be documented within the new time and material ticket feature and be immediately available to the office staff, right? So that's cool. That's actually pretty valuable, you know. Here, sorry, me devs, I'm gonna get over there and fix that. So, oh damn, that fucker's still back there, eh? Oh yeah. Oh. So yeah, man. Yeah, that's cool, man. I'm so glad you were able to join us today, James. That was awesome having your feedback there on the Procore software. Like I was saying, you know, like there is no real one solution, not yet, anyways. But that's why BIM is an idea, right? Because until BIM is an actual piece of software, it's just a bunch of pieces of software working together, right? And it takes multiple trades to work together as well to make BIM to work, right? Because all trades in the project have to participate. Not all of them, but they should, right? I mean, like there could be certain trades that don't, right? But I mean, your main ones, your structural guys, right, are always going to participate. The electrical, mechanical, plumbing, sprinkler, all that, drywall, steel stud, concrete, you know, all that stuff will be, all those guys will participate in the BIM. So yeah, right. You need to have a spreadsheet. I can show you quickly too on this other computer. I can open up my this estimating template and I'll show you what I mean. What I use, James, for my estimating template. And I think I've shown you guys maybe before. It's been a while, but what the heck? Let me see if I open up on this system here. It's not in there, is it? Holy cow, I got so many documents, it's crazy. Job estimates. Okay, never mind. I have a feeling it's in this folder, right? Here. Oh man, or no, that's not it, is it? What the heck, man? No, I guess it is in here. Wow, I have a lot of documents, guys, eh? Like I have a lot of documents in here. Where the heck is my estimate template? Here it is. Oh, which one do I have to open? I think it's this one. All right, I'll just switch the screen. Yeah, so I see I don't use Mac at all, right? So I don't I couldn't tell you, right? On that, but let me just I just gotta change something up here. All right, hold on. If I go, where are you, man? Come here. Oh, or hold on. Scenes, duh. Holy cow, Chris, get it together here, man. All right, I got my estimate template open. I'm just going to change up the view. All right. Okay. So here's my. I did a lot of cladding estimating. So this is the front. This is like a summary page in the front. But yeah, so this is my template. Okay, so this was built for cladding. All right, so I can do steel stud and drywall with it, right? Steel stud drywall insulation. I mean, I can pretty much monitor this, manipulate this spreadsheet to estimate anything, honestly, right? So, but I do have it broken down to cladding, roofing. Okay, so I can estimate any kind of roof with this. All right, so shingles, I can trusses, I can do a flat SBS, built up, modified, steel or steel, metal. Okay, metal like metal standing seam, right, or BMO. I can use anything. All right, so this is any kind of roof. All right, and then this is deck, so Q deck, right? This would be Q deck as well, right? So I have 3 main sheets, right, for my estimating, right? So that's for metal Q deck, that's for my roofing, and this is the cladding of the walls, right? So it doesn't have the heavy rimmed black glasses, yeah. So no, I'll never like I'm always gonna stick with the PC, the Intel and the Nvidia, like the NSYNC GPUs, because of the video editing and stuff like that. Right, I'm a content creator, so I need to have the NVENC GPUs, and I don't know, and that's why I stick with Intel and all that. I might try out the AMD, the Ryzen chip, but I'll always stay with the NVENC GPUs or whatever, you know. Shaq, I have. Oh, so laptops. Yeah, I can show you that too. You know, in a second here, I can show you some laptops. I would always buy from Dell. I always buy my stuff from Dell or Alienware. You know, that's kind of like, you know, there's MSI is good. But yeah, I mean, you don't need to have like too much of a beefy system, I guess. But like the drawings are quite like, they can get quite beefy. Like the like integrating this Bluebeam software could be quite like heavy on your resources too, you know. But just because in general, though, just in general, I would buy my computers basically from Dell, Alienware, even Dell themselves, right? But Lenovo is another good one, right? It's IBM, right? IBM, Lenovo is good. There's yeah, I mean, it's the thing. Like if you're buying a laptop, it's, you know, you got to think about, you know, you don't want to buy a cheap one, because if you buy a cheap one, it just doesn't work. It just doesn't work. You know, you can barely surf the internet with them, you know. Oh, look at this there, the Quadro RTX 5000. Well, I'm thinking about getting a new video card. I'm thinking about getting the 3080. Yeah, right. You can see Chris has row line 87. Yeah, right. So that's actually kind of funny. See line 87? That's so funny. It's a blank line. Hey, it's a blank line. That's so funny. But so yeah, like there is, like, you got to think, guys, like yeah, like look at, there's a lot of stuff that goes into them, right? And this is like on this here, this is your production rate. So how much square foot an hour you guys can do, right? Or how many linear feet or how many square feet. So you either estimate in linear feet or square foot. And this is your rate. So 20 square foot an hour, or sorry, 20 square feet an hour, right? 100 square feet an hour, you know. I can put it on your Discord, Shaq. I can give it to you on Discord. All right, I'll upload it to you there for sure. So when I get my new website up and running, like these documents, there will be a members section. Like, not, you don't have to pay to be a member. You just have to provide an email, like an email and stuff, like to get access to all those documents. I'm gonna have some crazy stuff in there, right? So. There might be some stuff that might be for sale, right? Some of the bigger items, the bigger ticket items, like the safety manual, for example. I have an entire safety manual that will be for sale on the website. It'll be very affordable, but it'll be a complete safety manual that you can just take and customize to your company. That's already done and completed. I already have that done. And so, you know, I have lots of other documents that, you know, safety documents and other stuff, general copies, general conditions, and all the kinds of stuff. I've been working in estimating and project management for a long time, and it's the stuff I created, like all these documents I've created and gathered over the years, you know. So yeah, it's pretty cool. So yeah, so you can use AMD if you're like or GPU if you're a gamer, but not if you're a video editor. You can't use AMD GPUs because they don't work with your they don't work with the software. My good luck getting RTX 3080. Yeah, right. Oh, hold on here. Upload or shoot, Shaq. Estimating template. Oh, you know what? Hell, dude, I can see if I can do that. Just oh no, I don't have Discord open while I'm streaming. So I'll have to do that after the stream. But in anyways though, like I'll show you. I'll give you an idea. If you can see this, guys. Like this is the stuff that I have. Okay. Right. This all this stuff I used to have on my my old website I did for free, but I'm gonna have a like a login error member type section, you know, for the new website. But yeah, you can see like, man, I got lots of safe. There's a safety manual, right? April 20th, whole safety manual, right? And yeah. But yeah, different policies. They like policies like you could like, if you're just starting a company, basically, I have every document you need to start a company. Okay, I have every document you need to start a small construction company. Okay, actually, I have more documents that'll like if you had all the documents that I had, you would be better off than most companies just starting out. Okay, like you'd be 100% better because like this stuff takes time, right, and money to develop, and it's not cheap. Okay, you spend tens of thousands of dollars up front developing all this documentation for your company, right? So, the fact that I could literally get a company going, you know, with documentation just right off the hop, it's crazy, man. I got all the stuff. Hey, Jason Reynolds, what's up, man? So the website will be up and running hopefully soon. I mean, I'm just trying to find the time to build it. I want to write my book. I'm writing a book. When the book is finished, the next thing to do is the website and clothing. So we need to also start getting the clothing made, because there'll be the product I'm going to sell on my website will be the book, the safety manual, and there'll be clothing, right? So yeah. And so, yeah, that's gonna be cool. Once I get that part going, it'll be pretty cool. Then I can start developing more doing more books and maybe more courses and things and whatnot. I don't know, but yeah, I got to get to that point, right? But clothing should be like the work clothes is where I really want to put a lot of focus on. I love, like, you know, just the designing and the fun that you can have with that would be pretty dope, right? Anyways, so yeah, I'll try to remember to do that after. Close that. Boom, chagalaga. So how's it going, Jason? Man, what's up, buddy? We're gonna turn the music back on now. Man, dude, I'm in my first 24 hours of like off the vape, like not this vape, but like the no nicotine, man. No nicotine. I mean, like, and I haven't had nicotine for 5 days. Today is day 5 with no nicotine. But I was vaping the 0 milligrams of nicotine for 4 days. I ran out last night. The coil finally burnt. I'm like, you know what? Washed it all out, put it away. So I'm in my first 24 hours. No vape. What the heck, man? Come on. There we go. Yeah, no nicotine, bro. None. This is day 5. No nicotine. It's crazy, eh? Yeah, I did, didn't I, Don the General? I did say that. Fuck, man. It's, pardon my French, it's tough, man. The Sunday morning stream is where it all started, you know? It's where it all began, man, was Sunday morning, right? Here, you know? So that it's a tough one to get rid of. I think that I would have more viewership if I did it at night on Sunday, but I do love it, you know, and that's the thing. Like it's tough. It's tough when you're trying to plan and develop a schedule that works. You know, it's tough. But I'm starting to dial it in. And once we get a nice solid schedule too, that'll be very helpful for the whole channel. Hey Amos, what's up, bro?
I'm Batman.
How's it going? You love the morning stream. Yeah, so do I, man. So I guess I should keep it then. I should keep it. Yeah, it's crazy, man. Yeah, and then yeah, caffeine. Yeah. So like I was saying, I can barely drink 1 cup of coffee. Like I can never drink a full cup of coffee, anymore. Then I was gonna mix it with my 3 ml. Yeah, so I've heard of guys doing that, Jason. I was like, I don't know how I was able to do it, but I did not have any cravings. I still do not have any nicotine cravings. It was crazy. I didn't have any at all. So I might have, like, because the way I was vaping, I have been vaping, is like I've been slowly kind of weaning off for like the past, 6 weeks, I guess, right? So I've been kind of like, I was just like small, like hitting it small, you know, like I wasn't really puffing hard, and yeah, it was crazy. It's just I'm just glad it's working out. Finally be free of that stuff, you know. Hey kitty, what's up? Oh, are you into it this morning already? I'll be up in a minute, okay? Or I'll be up in about, we'll say 20 minutes, okay? All right, I love you, babe. Oh, you want to come say hi? Oh, did you sleep good?
Yeah.
Yeah.
With Mama.
Yeah, with Mama. Did you? Oh, I love you. Okay. Go be good, okay? Such a cutie. I like caffeine, yeah, but coffee tastes like dirt. Oh man, I love coffee, but I mean, I love espresso is what I really like. You know, like Americano. An Americano is what I like. Is that you, Eddie? You're a monkey. Yeah, like I love Americanos. Those are nice. Those are what I really like. We got this new milk frother thing. Oh man, it's awesome. It is really awesome. Don't lie, honey. We can all hear you, you know. Okay, right, so, NVIDIA. Look at this. Autonomous machines, robotics, intelligent video analytics. Sorry guys, hold on. shit. I wish I could vape caffeine. Yeah, right? I think that would be totally awesome, man. Well, look at this here, autonomous machines. I'm just curious now. I want to go and check something out here. Certified systems, data center GPUs, data processing units, HGX. What? HGX? Like, what is this stuff? The Bluefield Data Processing Unit, software-defined, hardware-accelerated data center infrastructure on a chip. Holy. Introducing the NVIDIA DPU. The NVIDIA Bluefield Data Processing Unit ignites unprecedented innovation for modern data centers, delivering a broad range of advanced networking, storage, and security services for complex compute and AI workloads. By combining the industry's leading ConnectX network adapter with an array of ARM cores, Bluefield offers purpose-built hardware acceleration engines with full data center infrastructure on chip programmability. Holy, eh? See the power. See the power. So securing and accelerating next generation apps on vMware Cloud Foundation with NVIDIA. It's crazy, like, you know, why are you still wearing that ugly hat? He won't say, oh, what's up, man? You need to place a vape order today. Yeah. I need to do a refill here soon. What's this dad doing here? Huh. Weird, eh? Huh. Interesting. Yeah, I hold the opinion Linus Torvalds has towards NVIDIA. F you. That's funny. Linus Torvalds. Man, oh man. Is that guy still around? I love Red Bull. Oh man, I don't drink energy drinks, eh? I don't drink them, man. Wow, hey, I wonder what, I think it's some crazy tech, eh? Look at that machine learning. Oh yeah. Oh wow, eh? 600 gigabyte a second, man. Wow. Total aggregate bandwidth 9.6 terabyte. Holy shiza. Anyways, so yeah, that's some of the hardware to run this software. You know, like you gotta have some meat behind you there. You know, some power. That's just the way she goes. Just the way she goes by. Oh man. Oh man. Man, damn it. I gotta freaking fix this again. Damn you. I didn't realize that my social thing was broken again. You know, like instead of where is it? This, right? When I pull up a comment, it goes to there. It's vMix social link is messed up. Like Arnold says, screw you. I stayed home today and stuff out to trick or treaters, but only 2 small groups came. Oh yeah. Is it working now? There we go. Yeah, now it's working. It's warm. Last night was nice, man. It was a nice night. Usually, like, it's been cold, like really cold on Halloween here lately, and this year was so warm. You know, I'm just glad the kids got to get out and, you know, had some fun. It was nice to see people out and about, and not nearly as much as we used to. It's really crazy, man. But yeah, it was a fair amount. So I mean, there's lots of kids in this neighborhood. This is a family's neighborhood, you know. Like, it's just a shame, you know. But yeah, we definitely have to put our fear aside for them, you know. But different places, though, don't get me wrong, okay? Like, different geographical places have it worse, okay? So we don't have it. We, like, our neighborhoods, we're pretty good. Like, we're safe here. Like, we haven't heard anything. So yeah, you know, it depends on where you are, where you live, right? If it's safe or not. It would be different for everybody. Oh no, are you guys about to go back into it? Here, I wanted to I'm just gonna show you guys, or did I show you guys this? Oh, it's supposed to turn off after that. And did I put it in media? Assets? Did I put it in assets? Oh, I forgot. I put them all in the same thing. That's right. 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 Position. Oh, that one's. Shit. What? Can I pause it, eh? I can't pause the damn thing. Alright, but anyway, so position, pen. Fuck. What good is it if I can't even see the damn thing? Oh well, whatever. Anyways. Oh, and did the audio come through on that? Oh shit. Is that or no, I don't want that. Do I? Oh yeah, there we go. Okay, got it. It did. I think the audio. Yeah, audio's in. Okay, thanks, me dibs. Who's swearing again? Did I swear? Oh man, I did. I said 2 swear words then. Ding dang dong. Oh man. I don't know why this song here is called Jalapeno. This song here, it's called Jalapeno. Seriously. Jalapeno. Oh, nice, Amos. That sounds cool, dude. Yeah, and that's what we were saying earlier. At the end of the day, it's about, you know, we were all together with the family, you know, almost all together. Mine is Ben, but it's okay. We had the other 3 kids, and you know, we're all together. As long as you're together, that's what the thing is, right? That's nice. You made it fun for them like that. That's cool. I know Adam had board game night with the fam, so that's cool too, you know. Man, it would be so hard to have board game night with our kids right now. Man, it would get thrown across. We get thrown at each other or something, you know, like pieces would be getting thrown around. But it'd be nice. It'd be nice to start playing board games, you know. And they're, you know, I bet you Addie and Amelia, we could play a board game with them for sure. It's just the Warner, this terror. If he was up, he wouldn't stop. He would stop. Just try to climb on top of the table and get at the board. He wouldn't stop. Yeah, I need a Sunday swear box. Yeah. Oh man. I tried my best. I know. I think I did drop a couple today, eh? So there was a time change. Hey, did we fall back an hour? Like there was seriously a time change? Just do it! Just do it! Hey, you new guy. Yeah, you, I'm talking to you. Why don't you hit that subscribe button and say something in the chat, eh? Hey, you new guy. Oh yeah, that was fun shooting those, eh? Yeah, man. Yeah. I'm sure we did. It feels like it just doesn't feel right. Did they? I don't think ours changed until last night, man. Yeah, Amos. Yeah. That's right. Yeah, when you're out in the country, that's right. That's right. Yeah, we'd have like my folks who had friends who lived out in the country, and their kids would come into town, and they would come and hang out with us, and we'd all go, you know, in town. Because that's right. Yeah, the country's tough. You know, and then my niece and nephew, you know, because my mom and dad, my sister, they all live out in the country now too, and you know, when they were younger or whatever, same thing. You just, you know, well, they go into town or whatever. Hey, Klein Guy John, what's up, buddy? How's it going, dude? Good to see you, man. Good to see you, buddy. What's happening, man? What's happening? It's dope, man. Super good to see you, man. Yeah, 23 hours and 56 minutes in a day, eh? That's good, man. That's good, dude. Ugh. That's very good. Yeah, man. So, yeah, we did it good. That was a good Sunday morning live stream, eh? Man, all the boys are in the house right now. Just chilling, you know. We just talked about project management software, you know. And you know, it's important to know, like, because if you're just on the tools right now, okay, and you want to plan to have any shot of ever working in an office, you know, as a project manager or an estimator or planner, coordinator, even an assistant, you need to know how to use computers, right, and software. You know, you need to know spreadsheet. You know, word processor. Everybody has to know what word processor nowadays, right? But you know, spreadsheets, and then on top of that, right, like AutoCAD. You know, AutoCAD. You should know how to navigate. You don't have to be a drafter or an engineer or anything like that. You need to know how to navigate through documents in AutoCAD, right? And then there's this other third-party software like Procore and Bluebeam, and then we have Microsoft Project, Primavera. So there's different types of software. You have the planning and scheduling, right? And the cost, resource management, right? and then you got your document control. Okay, so there's like two parts. So you got your documents and drawings, right, and specifications. You got that, right? You have submittals, shop drawings. There's safety paperwork, safety submittals, like all the FLHAs and the safety meetings and all this stuff, right, that has to be kept and stored, all this records, right? So they got all this different software, okay, and you gotta kind of they gotta make sure you pick one that all the RFIs and change orders. That's like the Bluebeam, right, and the Procore software. It will you'll get turnaround for, like, I remember before this, the turnaround for an RFI would be like a month, right? It wouldn't be a change order or get an answer even. Like there was a process, and it was 2 weeks in between. You know, you get 2 weeks to the general, and the general has 2 weeks to give it to the architect, and the architect has 2 weeks to review it. Like, you know, and then and that's why projects delayed. That's why they took so long. So now you can get an answer in hours, you know what I mean, or instantly, you know, because everyone's connected on the cloud, right? So, but yeah, until there's like one piece of software that does everything, right? Like, you know, like look at Hilti. Now Hilti has Profis software as well. Okay, so think about they're going to be integrating like sensors and tool asset management, things like that. Okay, it's gonna be crazy. Their tools, the materials, like the fasteners. Okay, the fasteners, we're gonna have records of like how exactly how much, like how their bolts were torqued and this and that. Like, it's going to be crazy amounts of data that we'll be collecting on things. Okay, we'll be monitoring tool performance and tool action, and it'll maybe possibly be controlled by the software, right? Like the Panasonic say the impact wrench, okay, that will until it's blue tooth, okay, until it's at the right torque, and then it stops automatically. Cool, right? The computer controls it. The human operator is just there to guide the drill on the thing, right, and hold it there. It's pretty crazy, man. It's pretty crazy. So when you're working with special fasteners and working with concrete and structural steel, it is important. This stuff is important. Okay, it's people's lives. You know what I mean? Like, it's the integrity of the building. Okay, so it's pretty neat. It's pretty neat stuff, right? So anyways, all this stuff needs to communicate, right? All this stuff needs to communicate. And like I'm saying, like, it's gonna be one person basically that runs each piece of software. Okay, there's gonna be one administrator. It's in per project, right? And a lot of these administrators will have multiple projects. It's crazy. They can't prove the cocaine was his. It was in the trunk of the car he didn't own. What? Oh, geez, that's too funny. Yeah, Emosa. I'm not gonna read that out loud, but that's funny. They can't prove it was his. Yeah, the human operator is just a monkey holding the tool. Exactly. Yes, me did. Yeah, exactly right. So, like, to give you an example, while we're, I know the music's on already, but that's okay. I can, we'll go back. I'll give you an example of what I mean. Kind of show you where it's going. I'm going to Hilti's website. Yeah, so software for fastening systems. So this Hilti modular supports plugin, Profis installation, and then Profis anchor channel. So that's the cast-in anchor channel design, and the modular supports plugin, right? Design software for modular support systems. So this is important stuff. There's a reason why. Hilti has been developing this stuff, right? And now they have a robot that could literally drive around and maybe do the work. Where did I hear what from? Where did I hear what from? And no, he's not serious, Clan Guy John. He's joking. It's not. Oh no, man! Did I leave Discord open? What? Do you keep hearing something? Usually that means I left Discord open. Has that been going on the whole stream? This is the Discord thing, man. Darn it. That's how you laugh, man. Okay, yeah. So, software for productivity. Let me. Yeah, so clear and transparent calculation reports, extensive range and design parameters, automatic design optimization, fast and efficient design of fastenings using anchor channels. Yeah, so it is engineering software, right? So it's just cool because they have this concrete sensors now. I don't have anything USB. I don't have anything connected on USB. Not Oh yeah, Amos, for sure it will. 100%, yeah. Look at that, eh? Purchasing. So Profit's engineering suite, Profit's anchor channel, Profit's DF diaphragm, Profit's rebar. So yeah, rebar, right? Rebar. This is great. This is cool stuff. Okay, like this helps design things. Okay, and also that's what I'm talking about, right? Like when the tools are going to be able to communicate this stuff, like this software is going to be integrated into the plans, right? And or could tell them, you know, like that, you know, how much torque is needed and stuff. It's good, cool, man. Design method, static and seismic calculation, approval. It's cool, man. Oh, you mean that sound that just happened? That is funny, actually, because that's me switching from one computer to the other. When I hit that's me using my KVM switch, but that I've never noticed that before. That's so funny. Yeah, I never noticed that before. Oh, yeah. There, actually, you know what? My mic should probably sound better. Right there, my mic should sound much better. How far are we in here? 1 hour 43 minutes. I'm gonna remember that because I want to check this out, see if my microphone sounds better. What do you think, guys? Does my microphone sound better right now? Does the sound itself? Like, let me turn off the music. Does it sound better? I don't know. I just turned it down a little bit. Like it's down a few dBs, and I just, in my microphone, in my ears, I can't hear as much background noise. So yeah, I know it's the thing. If I could get the microphone closer to my mouth, then you know, I like, this is such a huge, like, this is a huge rig. Like, this is a massive shock mount with a massive pop thing here, you know. Like, if I could just get a pop filter for here and get it, like, so that it's tight somehow. Hey, right on, man. Thanks, Leo Gonzalez, for the subscribe, man. Appreciate that, man. Let me see here. What's going on? Assets. Oh, yeah, that's not the right one. That's why. Boom. Hey, thanks for the subscribe. Nice. Yeah, dude. Nice. Sweet Canadian construction god. That's awesome, man. Cheers, buddy. All right. This is kind of a boring song, eh? I'm gonna get some rock and roll. I don't know. What's scaring everybody away? Happy Sunday morning, boys. Yeah. Hey, Makita. Makita's back in the house. Unknown question mark / Makita, right? I think it's cool that the Danielle lady from Hilti got back to me there, and they're gonna add me to the email list so that I can get notified of new stuff. Right? I felt really out of the loop, man, when it came to this robot thing. I'm like, holy shit! Like, how could I not find anything on this on it? Like, I couldn't find anything, right? Oh man, I can't believe that. Yeah, that's what I was thinking, like the foam cover, the foam pop cover. If I could get one of those, you know, and then maybe if I could just, I'll cut this part off, then it'd be a lot smaller, right? I'd get rid of this whole thing, right? And then it would be much smaller if I just get a filter for that, even, you know. It's this thing here. It's like, you know, it's like, you know, I'm not a stinger, because like it's designed to sound like the head on, like this sounds good, right? Like this is the best spot probably for, you know, but yeah, you know what I mean. So as a woodworking tool, what do you prefer, Festool or Makita? So I've never used Festool. I've only ever used Makita, so I couldn't tell you my honest opinion on that. Festool is a nice looking, like it's a attractive line of tools. It really is. But Hilti or Makita's been like just been the woodworking tool forever, as far as I know. You know, you got a Hilti promo post in German, eh? I have almost everything Ryobi, but the newest subcompact releases. Oh wow, that's cool. So then you do like the Ryobi one tool emoji, eh? Festool has the best sander, eh?
Oh yeah! Look, brothers!
Boom! Yeah, that's this one here. Boom. They got Makita Germany. I want German quality tools. Yeah, so I know German, like that's the kind of like Hilti was originally all German, I guess. They have, but they have their power tools are in China, made in China now. So, but I know, I'm pretty sure, I feel confident that Hilti does good QA QC. You know, they got a pretty serious warranty, eh? Like they don't want to be sending junk out. Plus, yeah, they still like feel and look and like exactly the same. Like they're strong. They're really tough tools. Like you cannot compare any other tool line to how strong Hilti tools are. Like you can, like I just cannot believe the amount of abuse they can take, man. It's out of this world. It's crazy. It's crazy, man. It's crazy, bye. It's crazy, bye. Okay, I gotta remember to do that estimate template thing. Hopefully I can go for a fucking nap. Darn it. I got this one picture. This is me and my first son. This is Benjamin, my oldest. He's 13 now. 13. This is huge, man. He's a big guy. My first. Right, I got the picture of him. And then my second, Emilio, my little bubsy wubsy. Even weird people use it as a hammer. That's so funny. Yeah, you know what? I need that damn card reader. Ugh. Alright. Alright, boys. I'm going to start winding her down. It's that time again. We're 1 hour, 51 minutes into the stream. Almost 2 hours, man. That's really cool, man. That's really good. Awesome Sunday morning stream, boys. I love Sunday morning stream. You know that? I really do. It's a good start to the day. It's a good start to the week, really. Oh man, I'm all over the damn place. Like I know we're messing around. I'll get the schedule dialed in, and we'll stick to it. And that's that. I appreciate you guys being patient with me, and you know, with the exploring. I'm exploring with times and things like that. So I do appreciate you guys being patient, and you know, I tried to, like, I did schedule. I think I scheduled this stream yesterday. So so there was a little bit of notice, I hope, right? So I'm at least more notice, and like even the member stream, like I try to do it, that just doesn't work. So we have to do the final half an hour. It can't even be the first half an hour. It has to be the final half an hour or hour of the stream. That's the only way the members only thing works, okay? Because that's how Lori and David do it, and that's the only way it really works. So we'll do that, okay? We'll do the last hour of one of our streams a week will be for members only type thing, okay? But yeah, guys, have a great day. Cloud Guy John, you have a great day, man. Thank you for coming, buddy. You're the best. Amos Cardoza, Shaq, my man. I'll get you that document. I'll try to remember to get that to you right away, right? And Makita, dude. Kona Man Studio, baby, yeah. Me Dibs, Don the General. Lots of everyone, man. Bob's Adventure, man. Bob's Adventure. Oh yeah, very cool, man. Very cool. There was it James? Was it James? Jason Reynolds, yeah, buddy. Zaphael. Shaq, did I say Shaq? I think I said Shaq. But there was the new dude, James Collins, or Colin James, or I'm just going back over to see. That far back. Hey, Jelly Duck 100, James Collins, yeah, right on, man. Good for awesome, man. Glad that you were able to jump in on the chat today. That's pretty cool. So yeah, man, he enjoys the videos and been sharing my videos with the field guys. So that's fantastic. That is absolutely wonderful. That's awesome. Love to hear that. This is Sharevember. So the month of November, share out the streams, share out the videos, everything I post this month, like for live streams and videos. If you share, tag #Kronies on Twitter, tag at Chris Conkle 1 on Twitter, okay? Tag at Construction Kronies on Facebook. Use the hashtag Kronies, guys, and I'll keep track. And at the end of the month, we're gonna draw for $100. The winner who does share the most will get something special though, like a T-shirt or something like that from somewhere, from another creator or something, or maybe at IOU, like for when we get the first Construction Kronies merch, which won't be that long away. All right, that's the dealio. So yeah, #Kronies. Yeah, I don't know if I think you might need to. I use lowercase k. I think. Let me check quick, okay, just to make sure. I'll still find it. With the capital too. I don't know if it really matters on Twitter. Let me go. If I go to TweetDeck. And I'll just take a look. Right, I'm always monitoring #Hilty as well, but I'm gonna change that for this month two. Hashtag Kronies, one in capital K and the other in lowercase. Hashtag. So I'm gonna monitor both with a capital K and a small K. I'm gonna monitor both. It looks like it's the same. It looks like the exact same. Yeah. There's this one guy, Angus Carl. Looks like he uses that hashtag Kronies a lot. So yeah, we're gonna have to spam him out. Oh, this Angus Carl is gonna ruin my hashtag. But I see you guys. I see you. Hashtag Kronies. Yeah, baby. Cool, man. Awesome. Very cool. Oh, what did I miss? I missed a whole bunch of stuff. I'm on the other page. Oh my god, computer is working out. It knows it's me again. Yeah. Oh man, that's awesome. What do you mean what happened? Oh yeah, it's month 2. It's month 2. Yeah. I got you, Amos. I got you. It's Lucha Libre. Month 2 is Lucha Libre. Yeah, buddy. So I appreciate you guys being members now. Month 2, that's super awesome, man. I appreciate you guys being members. It really does mean a lot. So I try to help you guys out as much as I can. Do whatever I can for you guys. But I'll see you tomorrow evening, guys. Now, tomorrow evening, 6 p.m. Mountain Standard Time, right? 6 p.m. Mountain Standard Time. That's the time. We're doing it. So I'll see you then. Right here. Same channel, but different time. Oh, wait, that didn't work out at all. Shit. Shit. Same channel, but not the same time.
I'm Batman.
Anyways, before I make any more mistakes, guys, I'll see you later. Have a great Sunday, fun day. Be safe out there. Have a good start to your week. And rock on, man.
yeah? Well, screw you guys. I'm going